The Model 3 tracker is just as much a work in progress as the factory that makes the Model 3, and the Model 3 itself. Bloomberg will update the tracker regularly, and makes tweaks as it gathers better data. After the site overseers have aligned the two data sets with Tesla's last reported production and averaged the results from the two methods, voila, a running tally appears from within the smoke. Tesla only reports production numbers at the end of a quarter, so the tracker's numbers will be adjusted to fit the declared tally. Tesla's most recent goals were to be making 2,500 Model 3s per week by the end of March, and 5,000 per week by the end of June. Now you can watch the company succeed in real time. Or not. If you want to turn your lens to other territories in the Musk empire, try Bloomberg's Elon Musk Goal Watcher.